welcome to Monkey News. This is the second video of this Monkey News, and we are going to show you some more plants in this backyard. And here we go, update of this Monkey News video. And today we're examining a blueberry bush. And these blueberries are still in bloom and there's flowers right now, but they're blooming pretty good. And I'm about to ask them, does this blueberry bush ever get tired of blooming so much blueberries? Okay.
Okay, we're not tired.
Very good. Oh, there's another plant over there. To this, the second update of this Monkey News episode. And today we're examining a hole that has some sprouts in it. And see all this like kindling on all this pebbles, all this trash? Under that is a lizard, a dead lizard. So one time in my bed, we were just walking around the house, and then when I came in my bed, there was like a dead lizard on my bed, and I freaked out. And then and it was dead, and then we just picked it up with like a shovel or something and put it in here and buried it. So that was pretty cool, and I'm gonna ask the lizard if he's resting in peace right now.
Rest in peace to me, R.I.P.
Okay, pretty good. Okay, there's another plant right there. To the last update of this Monkey News video, and today we're examining a cherry tree. It's very cool, and I know I don't have any cherries right now, but the cherries come out in summer. They have seeds, but it's really beautiful right now because it's spring and there's still a lot of flowers. Still, I'm allergic to pollen, but it's still beautiful. And also, yeah, and I'm about to ask it, how does it ever get tired of making cherries?
Of course not. They're still fun to bloom.
Very good, very good. Okay, now, I'll meet you at the starting place, and then I'll say goodbye to you. Bye. That was our video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And that was all of our plants. So every Monkey News episode, we'll do 3 plants each. And there will be a lot of episodes of it, but I'm going to soon end it because it's going to start getting boring. And we're going to run out of plants. So yeah, and that was the video, and enjoy. Bye.